Here it is, good people, all in a day's work. The frame is complete. It has all the upgrades that my customer asked for and then some. Being that he didn't know what boxing the frame did, I boxed the frame in. I added all of the gussets for the lower control arm, cup, and stuff like that. The bars across the front is just something that I always add when you're doing tuck bumpers, just to make sure that you got some type of reinforcement from frame horn to frame horn. So every nut and bolt is brand new, all supplied with the UMI kit. Stage 3. It has the Viking coilovers. I think they're the 350s, I believe. Fresh rotors, fresh calipers, fresh reel hubs, cross drill slotted, brand new proportioning valve with the brake lines ran in frame. Here you got the gas lines, all E85, clamped, mounted all to the frame of the body. Rear frame suspension, braces. I believe these are called the control arm braces, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, coming around to the rear, you got Blazer upgrade kit with extended studs. You got Moser street axles, and you got cross drilled and slotted rotors. It'll be getting all new bushings. You got like I said, every nut and bolt on this is brand new. So you got the upper control arm adjustable from the UMI. You got Viking coilovers in the rear. Blazer disc brakes set up in the back with Grand National 8.5-inch rear end. I got the Yukon Duragrip 8.5-inch. Only thing else I got to do, I'm thinking about running new brake lines, because these do not go into the back of the Blazer. I believe they're too small. I believe these are 1/4 inch, and the ones that I need is 5/16. I believe, not 100% sure. Anyway, rear frame brace to go across the back. Like I said, tucked and molded bumpers. So yeah, Viking coilovers, sway bar in the rear, UMI lower control arm. Like I said, it's full stage 3 UMI kit. I had Reppin' Aces come on out, rebuild my rear end for me. He looked out, came through. That's what he do. So that's what we looking like, folks. Yes, sir. Keep it all Chevy. Frame off. This is what you get when you come to the Craftsman Customs. We don't cut no corners. We give you everything you ask for and then some. This frame is pretty pricey, being that it took about 3 weeks for me to do. A lot of metal work, a lot of reinforcing, a lot of planning, a lot of building, a lot of prepping before powder coating. A whole lot of one-off stuff, man. The guys who build frames know what I'm talking about. But if you come to the Craftsman Customs, this is what you will receive. You will receive just nothing from the best. I'll give you the best information that you could possibly receive for whatever budget you have for your car. It doesn't matter. So for me, this is like my stage 1. My stage 2 will be candy and chrome. Stage 3 is candy with chrome and gold and probably engraving. But no one's going to want to pay that price unless you just really about this life. So stage 1, Craftsman Customs, frame off build. This is what you're going to get. So stay tuned to my channel. If you don't already follow me up, and then turn them post notifications on, man, so you can get this info as it comes in. All right. Wow.